Hi friends, welcome to J Healthy Lifestyle. Today's video is going to help for the people who are suffering with pigmentation, uneven skin tone and pimple marks. This is 7 days face glowing challenge. So we are using one scrub and face pack. Scrub is mainly for the exfoliating skin and remove the dead cells, and the face pack is make the skin tone better and remove the pigmentation or the pimple marks which are left over on the face. So this need to be performed during the night times. Let's see the process without wasting any time. So let's take one airtight container, because if we make the scrub for one time, it will stay good for 5 days in the refrigerator. So once it is done, you can make it a fresh one again. So here I am taking 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar majorly helps in exfoliating the skin, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice majorly helps in removing the tan. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey, which helps in moisturizing the skin. Now let's mix all these 3 ingredients, and the consistency should be like as shown. It should be like liquid. Now close the lid and you can store this for 5 days in the refrigerator. Now let's see the face pack. We need 2 tablespoons of maida, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, one tablespoon of honey. Let's mix all these 3 ingredients. You have to mix it well. I mixed everything well. This powder can be stored for 5 days in the refrigerator, so that's the reason we are using the airtight containers. If we can prepare these two for one time, then we can use it for 5 days. To make the face pack, we have to take 1 tablespoon of this powder, and here I am using raw milk to make it paste, but you can use rose water also if raw milk is not available. So I am adding around 2 tablespoons of raw milk for 1 tablespoon of this powder. So mix everything well. The consistency should be like creamy. It should not too thick. It should not be too liquid. So you can see the consistency should be like this. Make sure that you don't have any makeup. So here I washed my face and I cleaned it. And now let's take the scrub and exfoliate the skin. The good thing about this scrub is it also helps in exfoliating the lips. Don't be too harsh while scrubbing. And don't forget your lips. Scrub for 5 minutes, and this helps in removing the dead cells from the skin. Once done with the scrubbing, you can wash your face with cool water. I'm adding little pressure through my napkin so that I can remove the dead skin on my lips. So now it's time for face pack. As we already prepared and kept, now we need to apply this. You can use it brush, or you can even use your hand. So I'm using this face pack for lips also. It's completely optional. You can add it or you can skip. This face pack need to be dried only for 80%. do not forget this tip. Once you see the face pack is dried for 80%, follow the same way I'm showing here. So I'm using here my fingertips to remove the face pack. While this process, it removes the tanness or it removes the pigmentation from the face, and also it helps in removing the small facial hair. So use this method for 7 days and you will find better results. So I washed my face with cool water and now you can see my face is looking good, but you can see result like after 3 days. So if you find this video is useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a like.
Friends, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video you will receive the notification.